Hey, I'm Toby, and I help the owners of manufacturing businesses retire with peace of mind knowing that their baby is in a safe pair of hands. With over 30 years of manufacturing experience ranging from the shop floor to the boardroom, I can design a part or the processes to make it. I can quote it, set it up, run the machine, inspect it, put it in the box, and ship it. I can woo in new customers and I can fire bad ones. But more importantly, I can take Jack or Jill off the street. I can teach them to do the same things. I first ran into Carl Allen back in 2016 when I was about to do my first business acquisition. And I realized that although I'd closed a lot of real estate deals, I'd never actually bought a business. You know, with employees' balance sheets and stuff like that. So it was just 2 or 3 weeks to the closing. I watched a webinar he was doing like 5 or 6 times. I didn't buy the training he was selling. I figured that since I'd already figured out the no money down and owner finance part, the rest would be easy. It was probably the most expensive mistake I've ever made. It almost cost me my marriage. It did cost me a heart attack. And it cost more cash out of pocket than I'm willing to admit on this video. So when my wife and I decided that we were going to take another swing at it, we knew that we needed the right coach and that Carl was our guy. We joined Protege back when there were fewer than 50 people, and I started to help with coaching in 2022 as the group expanded, and we realized that we had some talents to share with the group. If you need help figuring out your buy box or your secret sauce, I could probably help you. If you need help keeping yourself focused on your why or the habits you need to develop to make your goals happen, I could probably help you. If you need to create a list for a direct mail, email, LinkedIn, Facebook Messenger campaign, I'm your guy. And if you need a second set of eyes to look at a manufacturing business, especially one that uses computer-controlled machine tools or robots, well, that's what I do all day long. Looking forward to interacting with you here in the Protege group. I will talk to you later.